Now let's suppose if we're looking at our website, let's suppose we want to place a home button up here. So rather than just having our logo always return us to the home as it is right now, we hit that and that will take us back to the home page. Suppose we want an actual home button in the navigation menu. The way we do that is we go to our dashboard and we go down to Appearance, and under Appearance you hit Menus, and under Menus you're going to see the pages that you have, and underneath that you'll see, and what's going to happen is, let's explain this. I'll explain this a little bit in more detail. So the pages themselves, if you go to them, you'll see the actual website. And remember when I was talking about subpages / this is the sub page that resources is under, and so when you hit it, it actually takes you to a whole new web page. Similarly, videos will take and it creates a permalink / videos. So what we want to do is under menus, you'll see these pages right here. And if you look at them under the menu structure, it tells you where the navigation is. And what we want to do for a home page is we're going to do what's called a custom link. So because we're not creating a different page to go to like the resources or videos page, we're actually just creating a custom link, but a button basically that returns you to the home. And then what we want is we want this, the actual URL, www dot whatever your domain name is, and we'll call it home. And then we're gonna add to the menu, and there it is right here, home, and it has a custom link. It'll show you, and that's where it goes when you hit it. Oh, let's edit that. There we go. Let's see if that's save menu. Okay. Oops. Getting some typos in here. Save menu. There we go. So now when you can check the custom link, it'll be the actual link. When you hit it, that's where it's going to take you, which is our home. That's what we want. But also you can, a nifty thing, you can arrange the order. So just by clicking and dragging up, now I can have it in that order: home, resources, video. Any more that I add, they'll just be added as we go. Save that. And now let's take a look at our website again. And now we have a home button. So let's say we're in our resources page, we're looking around, and we hit home. Boom, takes us back to the home. So that's how you make a home button for this navigation.